Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Toyota RAV4 key battery. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 coin cell battery. It's also a good idea to work on a soft surface to prevent any scratches to your key fob or workspace. This simple task can save you a trip to the dealership and is quite easy to do yourself with just a few steps. Now let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually near the key ring attachment point. Insert your flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twisting motion, carefully pry the two halves apart. Be careful not to use too much force, as the plastic can be delicate. The goal is to separate the casing without causing any damage to the internal components. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take a quick mental note of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. This is usually the positive side. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the slot, ensuring the positive side is facing the same direction as the old one. It should fit snugly. Once the new battery is in place, carefully align the two halves of your key fob. Press them firmly together until you hear a click, ensuring they are securely sealed. Now, test your key fob's functions, like locking and unlocking your vehicle, to confirm everything works correctly. If you're looking for other ways to upgrade your home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. This quick fix will have your key working like new.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.